Are you tired of the multi-step process just to create a simple animated GIF? You know the drill. You record a video of your screen, then you save it to your desktop, then you have to manually open it with another tool, convert it, and finally save it as a GIF, leaving you with extra files to delete later. What if I told you that you could record your screen and have a perfect high-quality animated GIF with no extra step and no redundant files? Today I'm going to show you how I do exactly that with an app called CleanShot X. And if you have a Setapp subscription, you already have access to this workflow game changer. My journey to find the perfect GIF workflow has been a long one. About 10 years ago, I used a shareware Mac app called Video GIF, but it hasn't been updated since 2016 and just fell behind. More recently, I've been using the fantastic video editor ScreenFlow. Now, I bought ScreenFlow for its powerful editing features, and I use it for GIFs simply because it could do the job. However, it's a $169 app and I wouldn't recommend to buy it just to create animated GIFs. Plus, the process was always clunky because it's still a multi-step process which always produced extra redundant files that I had to clean up anyway. And very few apps, unlike CleanShot X, allow you to record and immediately save in GIF format. This completely streamline my content creation process. Alright, let me show you exactly this simplified workflow to create an animated GIF scrolling through the guest application page of the Macpreneur website. First, I click on the CleanShot X icon in the menu bar in the top right corner and then choose Record Screen. CleanShot X remembers the last position and size, so here I just need to click on Record GIF. A 3-second timer kicks in and then starts the recording. I will scroll through the web page, and when it's done, I just click on the Stop Recording button. Then, in the bottom left corner, you will see a thumbnail and a progress bar showing the automatic conversion from the movie into an animated GIF. And when it's done, I can send it to the cloud for sharing or preview it if I want. Here's how I'm going to do a quick preview of that animated GIF. And then afterwards, I will save it and that file will automatically land on the desktop as an animated GIF. There is no original MP4 file to deal with. So there you have it. No multi-step process, no more extra files to clean up. Just a simple, direct way to create professional GIFs right on your Mac. For a task that I do several times per week, having a tool that does it perfectly and so seamlessly is a huge time saver. That's why CleanShot X is so valuable, and it's available as part of the Setapp subscription, along with over 250 plus other incredible apps. If you'd like to check it out, I have a link in the description below where you can get actually a 30-day free trial instead of just 7 normally by using the promo code Macpreneur. Now, if you sign up after using my affiliate link, I will get a small commission at no cost to you. It's like a virtual high five for recommending stuff that I use and that I love. So thanks in advance for supporting me and Macpreneur. Let me know in the comments about your own GIF making workflow, and if you want more tips like this to help you save time and be more productive on your Mac, hit that like button and make sure to follow me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.